Hey guys, Joel here with the Rowdy's YouTube channel, and we're gonna go ahead and install a ham radio on two 2017 Toyota Tacomas. We got a TRD Sport and a TRD Off-Road. Okay, so here are the components that the ham radio kit that we got off the internet comes with. We have the radio itself that comes with the microphone and speaker, and it also comes with the mounting bracket. We have the cable used to program the ham radio. You're going to want to use CHIRP and not the software that the radio comes with. And then this is the power. So you can plug this into a 12-volt cigarette, and then this piece goes right into the radio. The kit also comes with this nice antenna that can be used with a magnetic mount. We're actually going to use a different antenna setup just for our preference, and you guys will see that later, but this will work with a magnetic setup. So this project is super simple. You only need a few basic hand tools to get this ham radio set up. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, a bit driver with a step bit. You might need a little crescent wrench. You're going to need a 10mm socket. You're going to need some scissors at some point, and of course you're going to need a screwdriver and some drill bits. So we're thinking about mounting the ham radio on the left side of the center console where the cup holder is, so that I can still see it and read it and easily access the microphone, and so that's not in the way and there's no cables getting near my feet.
That'd be fine.
As opposed to just like somewhere in the middle of those slits.
Yeah, and they give you those slits, that way you can, when you get it all bolted up, you can adjust it forward, back, side to side, you know what I'm saying, with the slit.
Yeah, like that.
You're fucking small.
You're used to working with small hardware, you should be able to figure it out.
You need a stubby?
Stubby screwdriver?
Yeah.
Oh, possibly, yeah.
Yeah, and then we just mounted this with the kit that we bought with the radio. It comes with this little backing with the 3M tape for the microphone, so it just hooks right up. Really nice.
From the fucking salt water in the ocean. Fuck. And now I got a carbuncle on my neck the size of a yoo-hoo. Were you able to get those screws in, Monkey?
No, dude.
With your fucking A-pans?
Fucking.
So we got the radio installed here, kind of below the steering wheel, up against the center console, and we want a clean setup for the wires. So there is a cigarette port here inside the center console. If y'all have the Tacoma, you probably know that it's right here. And we want the wire to route underneath the center console and go underneath and in between the seat to attach to the radio that we have mounted here. So if you take out this felt thing inside the center console, this thing, just take it out. There's bolts here to undo the center console, and there's also this indent right here, and there's a gap that's like pre-existing, and we're basically just gonna drill that out a little bit bigger so that we can fit the end of the wire that's gonna attach to the ham radio underneath the center console. So we want to drill that out so it fits. All right, so in order to drill out the hole down here to get the wire through, we can't fit like an actual drill in this space. So we're gonna use this screwdriver that has like a holder in it, and this is a step bit that you would normally put in a powered drill, and it fits right in here. And we're gonna use this to hand drill the space that's here in the center console so that we can fit the radio. There's a little square, a little hole that's already here factory, and we're just gonna drill it out a little bit bigger so that the wire will fit and sneak underneath the center console for a clean setup. No big deal.
Perfect.
Fits?
Yep.
Alright.
Unbolt these.
Alright, so now we have the hole drilled big enough here in the center console to where the plastic piece on our wire that attaches to the radio fits and can now go underneath the console. In order to get it to fit, we have to undo these two bolts in the center console so that we can lift it up just a little bit and the wire will fit underneath it. These are 10 millimeter. You just get, you know, a 10 millimeter socket and you can just hand twist those out. There's two.
There you go.
Hit me the cord.
They like curve this way. Oh, here you go. You got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
So now recap, the power cord has gone from the radio up underneath the center console through this little hole that we've drilled into the 12-volt cigarette outlet.
Alright, so we have the wire set up how we want it, fed through underneath the center console. And now we have this little piece of carpet that goes at the bottom, and we're just going to cut a little slit in the carpet so that when it sits in the bottom of the center console, the wire fits nice and snug in the carpet and looks nice and clean. I don't know if it will.
Oh, it will.
Oh, it will.
Lift it up, Abe.
I am.
There we go.
It's under there.
Hell yeah. Oh man, that's nice and clean right there.
Alright, so we're getting ready to set up the antenna for the ham radio that we're setting up in the 2017 Tacoma. And so we got this cheap setup on the internet. It comes with an antenna, the cord that you need for the antenna, as well as a bracket so that you can mount it to the truck. And so we're just going to go ahead and put it together real quick. The main important part is this thin bracket piece so that it can fit in between the tonneau cover if you have it. If you don't have the tonneau cover, you can get a thicker bracket. So the cord comes with this little gold plate on it. And we're just gonna unscrew that. And then it has this piece that sticks out, and that goes through the bottom piece on the bracket, and the gold piece just screws onto it. Oh shit. Alright, so we're getting ready to mount up the antenna here on the 2017 Tacoma, and I have this bracket here that mounts the antenna, and it just happens to fit where I can slip it in between the tonneau cover and the side of the bed, and we're going to screw it to the side of the bed underneath the tonneau cover. And the way it fits, we should be able to open and close the tonneau cover still, and it should fit perfectly. So we're just gonna put some wire loom over the wire for the antenna, and we're gonna feed it in underneath and in between the truck. And we want to put this loom over it so that the wire doesn't get messed up.
Okay, now if you're on the passenger side of the Tacoma and you feed this wire down below, see we're on the passenger side, I'm gonna go underneath the truck. See, there's the muffler. I'm gonna start to go tilt back behind the muffler. And right up in the bottom, there's a plug right there. Right by, you can see where the gas tank is, it looks like. And the drive shaft right here. And there's that plug right there. And you can take out this little rubber plug right there. And then you're gonna have to cut a little slit in that to feed the antenna wire through. And then we're gonna put that antenna wire, we're gonna feed it through the truck, up through there.
There she is.
Okay, so the wire goes right through that hole, and then you peel back the little bit of carpet in the back seat, and then you can go behind that carpet all the way up behind this seat belt underneath here and through the back right into the radio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right here. Oh yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah.
I don't need the couple wire, right? Just a section. I think so. I mean, hell, more protection the better, but I mean, obviously there's like mud, all kinds of shit flying up in there, or underneath the truck. But if it's in between, like, I don't think that's anything.
Yeah. This is just some wire loom for sure. Oh yeah. I like this setup. Yo, Goomba, you got a copy?
Yeah, I got a copy.
Fuck yeah, dude. Got her all set up.